Hi everyone and welcome to lesson 4. Thanks for being here and for watching this tour as we begin our next writing unit, which is our "This I Believe" statement, where we're writing a belief statement to share. You can really use this to do something funny or something very serious, or sharing your beliefs with someone else that you've been thinking about, your personal beliefs. So it's one of my favorite units. But quickly, let's go through what we have going on this week. We have grammar, paragraph, essay, and development, our reading assignments, our weekly class discussion board, which is your discussion board initial post, which I encourage you to post early in the week so that by Saturday we've had a really great discussion. And then our writing assignment first draft to start off with. Then we'll go to pathway gathering and then our end of the week. So for lessons 4 and 5, we are learning about commas. Commas are so tricky that we have 2 grammar lessons on that. And then the quiz is due on Saturday. The paragraph and essay development, you're going to watch videos about narrative writing, tone and voice, and how reading improves writing. If there's any issues with watching the video, you can click on the transcript and read about it. It's not as exciting, but there's been some issues with watching videos, and sometimes the videos work better in Firefox instead of on Google Chrome. For our discussion boards, I listen to you, and we're just going to have questions and conversations in the lesson 4 questions and conversation. And then for lesson 4, the directions are you have to click on them. I'm removing any graphics, and then there'll be even less than this starting in lesson 5. We're reading 3 essays: The Power of Mysteries, The Making of Poems, and Do What You Love. These are all really good essays, and they talk to different audiences, I think. And then you can respond to one of 2 writing prompts. One is about how writing helps the tone and word choice, and the other one is about more abstract thinking and telling a story that illustrates an idea or a belief that goes with our writing. I've responded to both groups in responding to prompt 1 and talking about The Making of Poems by Gregory Orr. You can respond to me as one of your group mates. I love it when you respond to more than 2 people in your group. Our groups are about 15 people in each group. And I just really appreciate when you respond. You can use me as a response, though, as well, and dialoguing with each other. So thanks for writing early and coming back often and taking care of your own discussion board when people respond to you. It makes our discussions, I think, a lot more interesting. So thank you for your participation. In the writing assignment first draft, in the announcements, I give you a lot of help or a lot of more tools to use. So one of the things that I've given you is this template that you can download and use if you want to. There's a couple of different outlines here, and just you can use either one to fill out to kind of brainstorm and help you come up with an idea. I've linked you to a "This I Believe" outline that I filled out a couple of years ago when I wrote my "This I Believe" statement. I've also linked you to the "I Believe" statement that I wrote about my daughter, or about my belief, and using my daughter as my story. And I've also given you a link to 2 of my former students' essays on their "This I Believe." One's on ice cream and one's about exercise, and they're both great. So you might want to read them if that helps, if you need help coming up with ideas. Otherwise, that's the beginning of our week. I'll post another video about midweek of what's due the rest of the week for gathering and for the end of the week. Anyways, but these things are due all on Wednesday of this week. Thanks.